this thing on. Okay. Kia ora, hello, I'm Eleanor. Let's go for a day hike. Alright, so I'm just going to run through all the things that I'm going to be taking up on this trail. Now, this is completely dependent on the kind of terrain you're hiking on, the weather, the temperature, the season, where you are. For context, I am in Aotearoa, New Zealand, in Auckland, Tamaki Makaurau. It is winter here, but it's a very mild winter. I'm probably going to be hiking maybe a couple of hours with my dear friend Aya, insert friend. So yeah, it's pretty short. The high is going to be 15 Celsius, the low is 8 in freedom units. That is a high of 59 and a low of 48. So pretty mild. Mild temperatures, short hike. Let's check out what I'm taking. All right, so obviously it's a day hike. You don't need as much as you would for a multi-dayer. So I'm pretty happy taking something between a 14 to 20 litre pack. And today I'm going to be rocking the 20 litre Osprey Tempest Velocity. So today I'm on the Osprey train. Great train to be on, super comfy pack. It's something Osprey does super well, especially for women specific. I'm also lining my pack with a pack liner. You can use a specific one from any brand or a rubbish bag. Honestly, they all work the same. They keep your stuff inside your pack nice and dry. Okay, so I'm gonna be wearing tried and true shorts, shirt, cap, socks, and trail runners. Can't go wrong, and I'm just a shorts gal. Even when it's raining, I find it really hard to wear pants. In my pack, for extra layers, I've got a rain jacket, merino layers, and a puffy. Puffy is a little maybe excessive for this temperature, so I'd probably take that out, but if it was something longer, if I knew I was gonna be out in the evening and needed the extra layer, I would definitely be taking it. But for this little short hike, I'll just probably leave that guy out. We're going up there. I'll also pack my buff. Super multifunctional, great for wiping your lens, wiping your sunglasses, keeping your neck warm. For something like this today, a little shorter, I won't take my trekking poles. For a multi-day, I would definitely take them. I'll also be taking a first aid kit, in that I'll have plasters, maybe some kind of strapping KT tape, some ibuprofen, some pain relief, maybe some matches. I'll pack some sunscreen, lip balm, as well as the tried and true, always good to have poop kit, which includes hand sanitizer, baby wipes, trowel, and plastic bags. That shouldn't be necessary, but you never know. Best, most important thing about hiking, the snacks. I'm going to be taking some carrots, some apples. I definitely will be taking some peanut butter filled pretzels, some plant-based jerky, and some little like chocolate peanut butter balls that I made. Delicious. Anything peanut butter is an A+ in my book. Of course, drink bottle filled with water. As well as that, I'm going to be taking out a water filter. On today's hike, it's a little excessive, but just another good thing to have, especially on something longer, especially when you will be needing to refill. As for tech, I'm going to be taking my phone. I will have the offline maps downloaded on AllTrails, a great app to use, but there are so many other kind of navigation apps that are accessible to use. But today I'm going to be using AllTrails. It's got so many on there, and it's got the one for today, which is O Manawanui Out and Back. Along with that, I'm also taking my camera, which is yes, attached to my tripod right now. I'm going to be taking my tripod. I've got my camera clip to attach my camera to, and power bank. Along with that, don't forget your charging cables. I actually think one thing that we should always carry is a headlamp. I suspect I won't be needing it, but you never know. And while we're on the topic of safety, a PLB device is always great. You think, okay, it's a couple hours, but you could be a couple hours up and somebody, I don't know, breaks their knee, patella, tibia, elbow, and you need a call for emergency. If you're out of service, then it's not going to be a good thing. So PLB, great thing to have on you. All right, I think that's everything. Let's go for a hike.